Today we're going to review the app of the VisionLink II Nurse Call System from Compass Communications Group. The main screen I'm sharing with you is of the viewing screen that will be found at the nurse stations. On the right, you'll see the screen of a smart device running the VisionLink II app. To start, we're going to open the VisionLink app. Open it on your smart device and log in. The app searches for the registered users as the username is typed in. Your username and password will be provided by your community's system administrator. Type the first couple letters of your username and tap the magnifying glass to search. Select your user when it pops up and enter your password. Once you have successfully logged into the VisionLink app, you will go to the Configure screen and select the areas that you will be working in, so you will receive notifications from residents in your care. First, deselect the Receive Notifications from all areas. If you are going to be working in the East Wing and the West Wing, for example, you would select those stations by toggling the selections to the areas that apply. Tap Apply Changes, and you will then receive the notifications for calls from those areas. After that, you can tap the back arrow to return to the Configuration tab menu. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to leave all stations on. Let's look at what happens when a resident activates their pull station. Once a pull station in a room is active, a notification will appear on the viewing screen at the nurse station. It will also appear on the smart device screen of the staff working in that area of the community. This appears on the smart device whether it is on vibrate or not. When you want more information about the notification, you simply tap it. It will then open the call to let you know room 101 has activated their pull station. If you can't take responsibility for this call, you will tap Close. This closes the details window, but the call remains active on the screen. If this is a call you can take responsibility for, you will then tap Take on the screen of the smart device. I'm going to take responsibility for this call, so I will tap Take. The viewing screen at the nurse's station will then display Taken by Jacob next to the call. This will also be displayed on the smart devices used by other care staff working in this area. This lets the rest of the team know that I will be taking the call via the app. I would then go to the room, reset the pull station, and assist the resident. When the pull station is reset, it comes off of the smart device screen as well as the viewing screen at the nurse station. One of the great things about using the VisionLink II mobile app is that it allows users to access many helpful features. Users can let their team know when they are busy or on break. These options are found under the Users tab. Also found under the Users tab, you can complete calls to other staff in the building. Tap the name of the team member you want to call, select Call, and if that recipient is available, they can accept the call. On the Configuration tab, you can select the Settings menu to choose if your smart device makes an audible tone, converts text to speech, or vibrates. You can also change the font from small to large in this window. The default setting for the VisionLink II mobile app is for the screen to go to sleep when not in use. The notifications are then pushed to the home screen of the smart device. The app will need to be opened in order to take the call. It is recommended to change this in the Settings menu. so the smart device screen stays awake while VisionLink 2 is open. At the end of your shift, navigate to the Configure tab and log out of VisionLink 2. Though the VisionLink II Mobile App is intuitive and very easy to use, you won't be on your own. Compass will be available to help you while your community is using it. If you have any questions regarding the VisionLink 2 emergency call system or the VisionLink 2 mobile app, please direct them to your supervisor and they will advise you on how to proceed. Thank you for your time.